Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Payoneer to Etsy. Alright, so let's begin. This setup allows your Etsy earnings to be sent directly to your Payoneer account, making it easier to manage payments and withdrawals. Start by opening Etsy and signing into your seller account. After logging in, look toward the top right corner and open Shop Manager. This takes you to your seller dashboard where you manage your store, products, and payment settings. Next, look at the left side menu and open the Finances section. From there, select Payment Settings. Once you enter the payment area, find the section that controls how you receive payouts and choose Add Payout Method. When Etsy displays the available payout methods, select Bank Account. This is where you'll use the banking information provided through Payoneer's global payment service. Open your Payoneer account and locate your receiving account details. These typically include your bank name, account number, and routing number or SWIFT information depending on the country and currency you are using. Enter the information carefully into Etsy and select the appropriate account type, which is commonly a checking account for most users. Before continuing, review everything closely to avoid payment issues caused by incorrect account details. After saving your information, Etsy may begin a verification process. In some cases, Etsy sends a small test deposit to confirm that the bank connection works correctly. This may appear quickly or can take a few business days depending on processing times. Once verification is completed, Etsy will recognize the connected Payoneer account as your payout destination. After that, future Etsy earnings can be sent directly to your linked account, giving you a secure and streamlined way to receive payments from your store. And that's it. This is how you can connect Payoneer to Etsy. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.